you remember what I said about this area, 69.61, I said that was a good shot, and put your stop loss around this place because I knew there would be a retracement, usually to around this price or this price. We could even see as low as here because the market maker always do this in order to clear both longest because they know a lot of people. So let's go to the liquidation heat map. This is where we'll see where the money is. We can see on the 12 hours, there was you need a clean out around here. So you see what I was saying here? There's liquidity around 68.2. We could see a quick dump all the way to even 67,900. Just to clear a lot of people who are speculating the price to go above 70, because people get extremely bullish when it comes to these situations. See, it took the liquidity here, like so many longest from all the way from 66,000. So this is not unusual when it comes to crypto trading. It can be extremely volatile. So we can see the price even come all the way to 65, 66, 65 area just to clean out all the liquidity here. So you have to be extremely cautious when doing when trading crypto. And people who use overzealous how do you call it, leverages, it is not a very smart thing to do because I usually look at the liquidities or the liquidation heat map. This gives me an idea where the money is and where the market maker is likely going to take the prices. You can look at the 12-hour, you can look at 24-hour and see, but you can see there's a lot of money sitting around 69.8, which they already took. You can see. Comes to the 12-hour zone. You see it already came here 68, so it did all the cleanup here and now it's just going to it can go take 68 too before any movement up. So you should be extremely cautious when trading this thing. You see there's a little bit of rejection here when it comes to the 5 minutes, but nothing major. We can even still see a push up to close to 70,000 again before any move down. You know, I had this line drawn a couple of days ago, and I knew it. Let me see. This is it. I knew it when it broke out. I knew we were going to see the upside. So around this price, I did a long, but with a very high leverage. And in maybe about 10-15 minutes, I was able to make, I think, $700. And then I got out of the trade quickly. But when you're doing high leverages, you don't want to stay in the trade too long. I told you, the price could come all the way to 60, 69, 70, even close to 70,000. And then there will be a rejection again. Let's look at the DXY. Oh, no. Let's see the medium move when it comes to DXY. This price is a very critical zone for Bitcoin. So usually what I do is, because I like during doing day trades, you don't usually have to wait to hit your take profits. To you can, once your entry is around here and you're able to see even halfway around, I advise take quick profits, because nothing is guaranteed in this market. It can be very manipulative and very volatile. So you should be always cautious. The platform I usually use for trading when it comes to crypto, I usually use the platform named Mexi. Mexi is known to have um, Mexi is known to have very low fees for high leverage trades. So that's my safe haven. That's what I usually use for my trades. It's not a paid advertisement. I have no affiliation to Mexi. Anything I'm saying here is just my personal experience and what I do. It's not a financial advice. See what I said around here? So this was a very good short zone with your stop loss around here, but I usually will get it closer to 70,000 where the previous resistance is. As you can see, we go to the hourly. You can see there's a resistance around 70,000. So yeah, anything around here, it's considered like a low risk trade because like, okay, you short from here for retracement because usually we'll do a couple of tests before it breaks out. So I'll usually just short around here and put my stop loss just above here, very tight stop loss. So in this situation where you see this is the higher level it went to. So if you short something, you can see all the way to this side. And at times it could be gone for like months or like weeks or days. So it's not a financial advice. This is my own personal experience. This is a disclaimer. Oh. You can see in this trade it goes to our take profit zone. So that was a successful trade for all the viewers who took this trade. Guys, when you're trading, you always need to make sure that you are just not rushing into trades. Always take your time. Having a good entry is a key to a successful trader. This is a perfect trend line. He broke out of this trend line. That was yesterday. It did a retest, came all the way down. Then it just zoomed through it. After every breakout, it always does a retest on the trend line, and then it's continued up. But if you take the 1 hour, or if you take like let's take a higher time frame, we can see there's around the 70,000 zone, 70.85 thereabout was the last time Bitcoin had tested 70,058. That was in July 24th, 2024. That's a couple of months ago. Those who took profit, that's amazing. You see here, a W pattern was formed somewhere here. You can see here we have the W pattern formation. So the breakout of that W pattern was what?
Do not pay somebody to build you a Shopify store because I'm going to do it free.
My apologies. I was trying to show these patterns so you have a clear. I want a clear one to show you guys. Maybe this will do it. These are some of the reversal patterns, but you can see we have the continuation patterns are this, and then we have the, okay, I think that's it for now. The double bottom looks like the W, and that's what I believe we had it for BTC. This from here to here to here to here, and then broke out. It's just retesting from what I see. It's just retesting somewhere around 69 500 area, which it struggled from yesterday since yesterday to try to retest. So this is what BTC is doing after that breakout of 69 500. It just tried to go to 70,000, but we've seen a little rejection on the 15-hour. Okay. So it's our trend line that broke out. Yes.